Hello and welcome to PBN Limited. My name is Nia and today I'm going to show you how to update and change the PHP version for each domain you add to PBN Limited. Before we get started, don't forget to leave us a review on Trustpilot and to check out the other services we offer. You'll find links to everything at the top of the PBN Limited dashboard, and I'll leave them in the description below. This is another tutorial that's been highly requested. Again, it surprised me how many people don't know how to change the PHP version for their sites, including people who have hosted with us for years, which is exactly why we are covering this topic today. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. When you log in to your account, this is the first thing you'll see. This is the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your domains. Important notices we may add will be added here, and much more, which we'll be covering in future videos for you. So, how do we change or update the PHP version? Firstly, you need to click on the name of the site you want to change the PHP version for. And remember, when I say the site name, I mean here. If you click on the URL instead, that will just load the website itself. And now we are on the main overview screen for this domain. Again, there's a lot of cool features in here. For example, this here, which is where you will see the trust flow, the citation flow, backlinks, referring domains. Is the site indexed? But again, we will be going over all of this in detail in a future video. You can see here in the left-hand menu, there's a lot of tabs and a lot of options, but we want the Site Functions tab, which we expand by clicking on it. Actually, most of what you need to manage your domain is in this section, but we want the Edit Site option, which is this one here. We're going to click this, and now you will see this small pop-up. You will notice there are a few different things you can do in this pop-up, but again, we will go through this fully in a future video. For now, what we want is this little drop down under the PHP version section, this part here. Here you can see what PHP version your site is currently running on, as well as the PHP versions we currently have available. So I can see this site is running on PHP version 8.3. And in the drop down, you can select a different PHP version if you want to. I always recommend keeping your PHP version up to date, or at least using one that is still supported. Using outdated PHP versions can leave your site more vulnerable to security issues, compatibility problems, and eventually things may just stop working properly. At the moment, you may still see older PHP versions available in the dashboard, such as PHP 7.4 and PHP 8.1. The reason for this is that some older sites still rely on these versions, and we don't want to instantly force upgrade everyone like some hosting companies do and potentially break older plugins, themes, or custom code. We do handle PHP upgrades automatically eventually, but we like to give users time to upgrade their sites themselves first. That said, if you are adding a new site, I would not recommend choosing PHP 7.4 or PHP 8.1 as these are no longer supported. For new sites, I recommend using PHP 8.3 or the newest supported PHP version available in your dashboard. Just a quick note as well. At the time of creating this video, we are currently adding PHP 8.4 and PHP 8.5. There will also be a notice in everyone's dashboard shortly about sites still running on PHP 7.4 or PHP 8.1 being automatically upgraded to PHP 8.3. So make sure you look out for that or update the PHP version yourself beforehand. Although if you are a newer user of PBN Limited, this probably won't apply to you as all newer sites have already been deployed on PHP 8.3. In any case, all we need to do is select the PHP version we want from the drop down. I'm going to downgrade this site just for the purpose of this video to show you. And once we've done that, we hit save. Our system will then handle the PHP change for you, and you just need to wait for the state of your domain or the status to return to OK state in the dashboard. And there you have it. Super simple. A full rundown of how to upgrade or change the PHP version for each domain you add to PBN Limited. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if there's anything else you would like a tutorial on, feel free to drop your suggestion in the comments or just message us directly through one of our support channels. We read every suggestion, and the most requested tutorials will get made next. So be sure to let us know what it is that you would like to see, what it is that you want to know a little bit more about in regards to our platform, or maybe even just PBN building in general. Thank you for joining me today, and hopefully I will see you back here for the next video.